Hello. Take two.
It's my turn now. It's down in this far corner is the lens.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, it's my turn now. I'm shaved, have my head shaved with these pink edgers. Yay! I'm so
Yes.
excited. My turn. When Shane was in high school, he went to the Career Center and he did cosmetology. And so he would come in the salon and work with me to get on the job training. So we had him helping, showed him how to do stuff.
On the shampoo bowl.
Yeah, he was good at the shampooing and the towels. Other stuff too, but shampooing and towels. No one ever got to see me get my hair cut. What I look like in a cape. Woo! Any questions you want to ask me, Shane?
Any questions?
While we're on camera?
So, how are you liking Thorne Bay? It's been 8 days now.
I'm having to adjust how quiet life is here. So my life was kind of hectic, but not totally bad. Like just there was just a lot of steps to a day, and on my days off from work, I had to take care of stuff and family members and all that stuff. And here it's like, took me a while to be like, oh my god, I'm supposed to be doing something. And there's like, oh, okay. I don't have to be doing that. So that's weird. And then there's only a few people here, so it's really a quiet little town. I'm not really used to it being closed up at 6:30.
Yeah, 6:30. Everything's closed. Well, everything closes at 6 p.m., but they still have to clean up shop and everything. Oh, this is a lot of hair.
I know, it's a mess. I was making up my mind whether or not to grow it out, and then it just looks so bad. I'm like, no. And today I'll shave my face too while I'm at it.
Get that cleaned up before he sees clients.
I wonder if anybody will want a haircut.
I think you got 2 or 3 people already, and then all the people Matt talks to.
We'll work for tips, baby. Shake, shake, shake.
I cut more hair off of your head than you did mine.
Well, your hair just needed to be evened out, and then I cut a lot off the perimeter because it was all over the place, but my hair is like long for me. I was going to have it cut before I left, and then everything got crazy, and with your brother's graduation, I didn't get time to get my hair cut.
Right.
And work was crazy that last week. I mean, I only work a few days, but everybody was booked. Springtime.
Graduation, prom.
Yeah, I did all that prom hair. Oh my god.
Prom hair. I thought you still having it back to the chair.
Looks better. Doesn't look so crazy now. There you go.
Oh, we got one already.
Yeah.
Your eyebrows are long too.
Well, you can cut those off while you're at it.
This what?
Feel like cat whiskers. Get old, you get bald on the top of your head, but my nose hair, check my ear hair and everything. It's all a nightmare. It all grows all over the place.
How's that?
That looks way better. But did you check my ear hair? I was serious.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's like it grows in.
I don't know if I could cut it with this thing though.
Just use the corner. There. Exactly. It's like one day when I realized my ear hair was growing in and I was getting old, I was like, I'm gonna be young and beautiful forever. And then I felt this thing in my ear tickling, and I pulled on it, and it was an ear hair, and I was like, oh man, I'm old now. And then you know how to do eyebrows?
Nope. Whoops, I got stuck in your tongue.
You take the comb and you brush them up, and then the little extra that's outside the lines, you cut it off.
Okay. But I'm just like plucked out of there.
Well, they're getting bald now that expires.
To make a makeup video. How to make your eyelashes look pretty.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows and eyelash. How's that? A little better?
Oh yeah, I don't look like I'm evil. What do you think? Did he do a good job? Look, it's all better now. Yay. Thank you, Shane.
You're welcome.